Let's go to the monthly chart on Joby Aviation, and it was a great, or shaping up to be a great year for Joby Aviation until price pulled back roughly 80% from the origin of the strong move higher. And just as expected, price pulled back to the origin of the breakout after consolidation that occurred from October to May of this year. Going down to the weekly chart, we can see the basing a bit better, and then the breakout. Now typically, when you break out of a range-bound price action, price typically retests the area of the breakout before continuing higher. In this case, price shot up from $5 all the way to $11.50 and pulled back again to that origin of the breakout, which is $5. Taking it down to the daily chart, what I love to see is that you had a double bottom, and you had what I look for reversals is this W pattern. Now before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. It is coming from investing.com. Joby Aviation launches electric air taxi in New York City, aims for 2025 service. So Joby Aviation has achieved a landmark moment with its inaugural flight of its electric air taxi in New York City, signaling a leap forward in urban transportation. On Sunday, the company's aircraft, piloted by James Buddy Denham, took off from the downtown heliport, marking the start of what could be a new era for quick and clean commuting in urban environments. The mayor of New York City unveiled an ambitious initiative to electrify the downtown Manhattan heliport as part of a broader push for clean aviation. This move aligns with Joby Aviation's vision to offer New Yorkers emission-free air travel by 2025. Through a strategic partnership with Delta Airlines, you have Arch Aviation teaming up with United. So the collaboration aims to transform city commutes, reducing travel time significantly. A 7-minute flight could soon replace over an hour-long car journey from Manhattan to JFK. So the CEO of Joby expressed gratitude for the city's support and highlighted the mutual commitment with Delta to launching these innovative air taxi services. Joby electric vehicle takeoff and landing aircraft boast a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge and can carry 4 passengers. The partnership between Joby, Delta, and the Port Authority and the Economic Development Corporation is focused on initial operations planning and infrastructure development at JFK and LaGuardia. These are the 2 major airports in the New York City area. Since 2017, Joby has logged over 30,000 miles with its prototype and recently provided the first ever electric air taxi to the U.S. Air Force for testing. Alright, so here's what I'm looking for as confirmation that the bottom has been placed. I do want to see a breach of the apex on the W, but I also want to see a breach of the $6.50 level. So here's what I would be looking for: a break, a retest, and then the move higher, with the next target being at $9. Why $9? You have support, which is now resistance. Now, if Joby Aviation can materialize their vision, then getting in now might be a bargain, might be a discount. What's also worth noting is that you do want to see price close above the 50-day moving average. Currently it is above the 200-day moving average in yellow, but that could be momentarily. but this would be the setup that I would see for confirmation that price wants to go higher. How does this look on the weekly chart? Zooming out, you can see why I'm looking at a close above the $6.50 level. Resistance, resistance, support. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.